Yeah, we are ready, nearly ready for drifting on Friday night. I'm so stoked.
And what do we have here? Yes, we have more lighting.
Hey guys, welcome back. Just a little bit of last minute prep, and behind me I have this, a light bar that I brought to complement those side lights. So yeah, just a bit of last minute drift prep before Friday night. I know I said next video would be at the track, but this is just a little bit extra coming at you. So we're gonna get to work and we're gonna fit this light bar up to the center front bar just down there. And yeah guys, we should have a full spectrum of lighting for the front. Should be mad. Sick.
This was only $30 at my local automotive parts store in Australia. Everyone will be familiar with Super Cheap Auto. Sorry, my hands are pretty dirty from work. I am actually a mechanic. I'm a technician of 15 years now. Just comes with the job. You have those days where your hands just get a little bit grubby, even though you wash them as much as you can. Still really hard to get out. Anyway, here's the light bar. It's 20 inches and it should fit the center, I think, perfectly. Let's have a look. And here we have it, guys. This is the light bar. And it should fit nicely in between the front bar, just probably above the front mount intercooler. Yeah, let's see if it fits up nicely. Here we have the front bar. Now look, here's the light bar. I think it will fit nicely tucked up, just like that, tucked up in there somewhere. The light bar actually comes with a whole bunch of brackets and like nuts and bolts and things. So I didn't bother filming too much because it's taken me a little while. Now I will measure basically from this bolt, the mounting bolt, to the other one, and that'll be the distance that I need to get right. Before I go drilling into the nice Vertex front bar, a few people want to be hating on me right now, but guys, this is for drifting at night. I really need this kind of lighting when I'm out at Queensland Raceway. This is where I go drifting mostly, so it's gonna come in handy. And hopefully it'll look a little bit better on the camera at night. This is where I'm going to be mounting the light bar, in this centerpiece, this center hole here where the front mount is. So just in front of the front mount, just up here. So I've set each bracket for the light bar 1 inch either side from the outer edge of the light bar. And I got the ruler here and I'm just measuring between bolt holes for where the mounting holes will need to be drilled. And there we have it, guys. I've just got to adjust the brackets and also plumb the wiring in to the existing harness for these side lights there, and go out and test probably tomorrow night, the night before Friday night, and just get the angle right. Right now they're just pointed way too far up. We'll have to point them down a little bit, but yeah, pretty neat. I'll show you guys at the track what they look like.